Hi, welcome back to 8482 Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool. In the following video, I'm going to show you how to use the curvature tool. In front of you, I'm showing two pieces of work that I've used the pen and the curvature tool. So these are some possible examples that you will be able to do with these two tools. These are great tools and I love using them all the time. For me to show you how to use the pen tool, I'm gonna do a little exercise where we're gonna show you by tracing over this image that I placed as a template. So we can find the pen tool to the left side of the screen in our toolbar. It is here at the top, or could be anywhere else depending on your toolbar setting. The shortcut is P, and the pen tool has the anchor point tool. I'm going to show you later what that is, but it's not a big deal, really. So yeah, okay, let's get started. Now, for you to use the pen tool, okay, you see what this little image means? You have the pencil and you have sort of like a stop sign. So if you go here in the layers, you'll see that I am selecting the template layer and not my canvas layer. So for me to be able to draw anything on top of the template, I have to be selecting the correct layer, which in this case is layer 1, and I'm going to change that to pen tool. There you go. Okay, so for the pen tool really just creates paths with precision. It is much easier for straight lines, so if you just go like that, for example, we're just creating straight lines. When I'm using the pen tool, whichever pen tool it is good for you to go to properties and then just put no fill and put a light black stroke so you can see what you're drawing. That facilitates things. Now, as you can see, we want a curved path, not a straight line path. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. I'm going to start again. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click and drag. So you can see that we have these two toolbars that appeared. And so they basically allow you to create curved lines. So I'm going to go here. And then it sort of helps you continue the curvature for you to have a nice, smooth line. Now the pen tool just continues. So if you want to keep on having curved lines, you have to click and drag. And then here, but as you can see, this is not on the line. So I want to change this. Whoopsies. And I'm going to click A for my direct selection tool. And I'm going to click here, and I can edit this path. This allows you to make more detailed edits. There you go. And you can see here that this anchor point is actually not a curved path. So I want to make it curved. So I'm going to click here and just drag. And there you go. Now we have a somewhat circular shape. Oh, we still have this side too. There you go. And now we can keep on drawing. So I'm going to do P for a shortcut. I'm going to click here. Oh, so you see what happened? When I clicked here, actually, I clicked on the path of the previous anchor, and you have the little minus sign. And so that actually removes the anchor point. It deletes the anchor point. We don't want that. And as you see here, as it's a curved line, if it was, right, a straight corner, we wouldn't have these 2 points. But as it's curved, it adds more points. These extra 2 points allows the path to be curved. So let's continue. So I'm going to do V and just going to get the path again. And sometimes, so I'm just going to click a bit outside of the path so that I don't have the same issue of deleting the anchor point or adding an anchor point. And then you can just adjust that with the direct selection tool, and you can just move that point. Sorry. There you go. So you see now I'm just going to do A. I'm going to click here and I'm just going to move this anchor point there. Now you see this is, I have too many. You kind of, when you're drawing, you don't want to have too many anchor points because it just makes a rugged curve. It's not a smooth curve. So I'm actually going to remove this by clicking on the pen tool and removing it, you see? And I'm going to be changing that using this curve. There you go. Now when I'm done with paths, but the pen tool is still wanting to draw, I just do V or the selection tool, and then I just do P again. Okay. Now let's remove our template so we can see what we've drawn. So for us to remove the visibility, I'm just going to click here on the square, and there you go. And now if you want, you can edit using the properties, because this is a shape you've drawn. And you can edit each path separately, or you can group them. And I will show you how to merge these shapes together to create one single shape in another video using the shape builder. I hope that this helped you out. If you have any questions, comment them below and we will get them answered. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe to 8482 to stay updated with our tutorials.